In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of an imported logo in Canva. Whether you are refreshing your brand palette or matching a client's style guide. This quick method lets you recolor a logo without leaving Canva. Start by opening your design. This can be any canvas where you plan to place the updated logo, social post, presentation, flyer, you name it. Having the final layout in front of you makes it easier to choose colors that look right in context. Next, upload your logo to Canva and click it to select it. If it's not already in your uploads, drag and drop the file in, or use the Uploads panel on the left. A PNG with a transparent background works best, but any high-contrast logo will do. Once it's on your canvas, click the logo so the top toolbar appears. On that toolbar, click Edit Photo. This opens Canva's editing panel, which gives you access to powerful effects, specifically for images. In the editing panel, scroll to the Effects tab and choose Duotone. Duotone maps your image into two colors, one for the darker parts and one for the lighter parts. You'll see several presets. Pick any preset to apply it. Then click it again to open the controls. Now adjust the color. Change the highlights and shadows to the exact colors you want. Highlights control the lighter areas. Shadows control the darker areas. For the cleanest, brand-accurate result, you can paste your hex codes into the color pickers, so the logo matches your palette precisely. If your logo is black, a reliable setup is to change highlights to white and shadows to your chosen color. This keeps the light areas crisp while recoloring the dark portions, which is usually where most of the logo detail lives. When you are happy with the look, click anywhere on the canvas to confirm. If you need to tweak it later, just reselect the logo. Open Edit Photo and adjust the duotone settings again. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.